I continue to discourage the use of that phrase, a phrase that I do not use myself, and I continue to focus on the work at hand of keeping Jewish New Yorkers safe in the city. The other day, I met a Jewish New Yorker who had members of his own family killed in the horrific anti-Semitic act of terror in Australia, and he shared with me the moments where he found out and the pain and the sorrow that he lives with and the tears that he was coming to almost at a minute by minute basis of sharing this with me. And this is not an abstract fear. There are many New Yorkers who are intimately connected to those who were killed and many who feel that fear themselves each and every day. And my job is to ensure that we deliver a city that is safe and a city where they belong. And I have been in constant communication with Commissioner Tisch to ensure that we are doing so not only in the daily actions that are taken, but also in the medium and the long term.